Entrepreneur Tag Goulet is my guest here on the Spotlight Hour podcast. Tag, what advice would you give someone who's waiting for their first opportunity? You've created that through your TV show, The Gift. But if somebody out there has this dream, whether it's in the arts or something else, what would your advice be?
Make it happen in whatever way you can. And I'll use filmmaker as an example because there were so many of them that I helped support. It's unlikely that you are immediately going to get hired to direct a Hollywood picture, but you can start creating on YouTube, or you can start creating on social media, or you can start, join the Calgary Society of Independent Filmmakers. Start connecting with people in the industry. Look for opportunities to get a foot in the door. It doesn't have to be at the top, because you'll meet people, you'll learn.